Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear students, today what we are going to do, we are continuing our topic that is called types of families. Okay, so today what we are going to do, yesterday we have completed our exercise, that is in this chapter we have page number 21 and the given exercise we have already completed. Okay, after that today we are going to write all the question and answers in the notebook. So all of you please take out your notebook and take out also your book, the Blue Planet Environmental Studies. Okay. So first of all, give heading there, answer in brief, and chapter number 3, types of families. After that, our first question is, what is a family? As I have explained you about all these chapters headings, that is families, relations, family members, and about the types of different families, nuclear family, joint family, all these. So now we are going to write answer and question and answers. Okay, so the first question is, what is a family? So dear students, write down in your notebook the question number 1. After that, I am writing the answer here. What is the answer of what is a family? So people living together as a unit form a family. This is the answer. So write down with me. People, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Then next, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Then T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. People living together. A as a UNIT unit. UNIT unit. Form, F-O-R-M, form a family. So here we have answer number 1. People living together as a unit form a family. So dear students, write down all of you in your notebook answer number 1. Okay, I hope you all have completed answer number 1. After that, there is question number 2. Write down question number 2 in your book, in your notebook, in a good handwriting. What is the question number 2 here? You can see in the page number 21 in your book. The question number 2 is, what is a nuclear family? So write down here, W-H-A-T, what? I as is a N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear, and then F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. So what the meaning of nuclear family? When there are one set of parents and their children are called nuclear family. So here we will write answer. A nuclear family consists of one pair of parents and their children. So write down the answer. N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. A nuclear family consists of C-O-N-S-I-S-T-S, consists there, T-H-E-I-R, there, then children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. So here we have question answer number 2. What is the answer number 2? A nuclear family consists of only one pair of parents and their children. Okay, this is the answer number 2. The question is, what is a nuclear family? Nuclear मतलब single type of family. Okay, so family में जब एक पेयर ऑफ पैरेंट होता है, वन पेयर ऑफ पेरेंट, दैट इज मदर एंड फादर ओनली एंड देयर चिल्ड्रन. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. फर्स्ट वन इज स्मॉल न्यूक्लियर फैमिली एंड द सेकंड वन इज लार्ज न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. In the small nuclear family, there is one set of parent and two children only. If there are more than two children, then it becomes a large nuclear family. Okay, understood? So write down the question answer number 2 in your notebook. Yes, dear students, now we have completed question number 1 and question number 2. Let's read one again. What is the answer of question number 1? The question is, what is a family? And the answer is, people living together as a unit form a family. So this is the answer of question number 1. After that, we have written question number 2. That is, what is a nuclear family? So answer is, a nuclear family consists of only one pair of parents and their children. So here we have completed 2 questions and I hope you all have written in your notebook. Now 2 more questions are there, question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, so we will write question number 3 here first. What is the question number 3? Let's see in page number 22 in your book. So question number 3 is, what is a joint family? What is a joint family? So joint family क्या होती है, कौन सी होती है joint family? When there are more people live together like parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, brothers, sisters and cousins. That is called a joint family because joint family is a big family. Okay, now we will write the answer. Write down the answer there. A joint family is a big family, is a big, big, F-A-M-I-L-Y family. A joint family is a big family with 2 or more, with TWO, 2 or MOI, more, sets of parents, 2 or more sets of parents, with uncle, aunt and cousins, with uncle, aunts and cousins, okay, living together in the same house, living together in the same house. Okay, this is the answer for question number 3. Let's read the answer. A joint family is a big family with 2 or more set of parents with uncles, aunt and cousins living together in the same house. So dear students, write it in your notebook in a good handwriting. Okay students, I hope you all have written this in your notebook. After that we have question number 4 in our book. What is the question number 4? How do you help in your family? So write down the question first. How do you help in your family? So the answer is homework for you because ये जो question है, this is for you. Okay, all the students, this question is for you. आप अपनी फैमिली में किस तरीके से हेल्प करते हैं, आपको उसका आंसर यहाँ लिखना है. अगर आपको सेंटेंस फ्रेम करने नहीं आता है तो you can take help of your mother or your elders. Okay. And complete this answer. How you will write this answer? Like I'm giving some examples to you. First of all, आप किस तरीके से help करते हो? Like अगर आप अपने पेरेंट की हेल्प करते हो तो आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे by putting all the things in a proper places or by giving water to the plants or something else. You can whatever you are helping to your parents, you will write here. Okay, so I help to mother in the kitchen. You can write like this also. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. This question is the and you have to make the answer as a homework to you. So this question is homework for you. All of you write down HW. The question number 4 is homework for you. After completing your homework, click the photograph and send it into my WhatsApp personal number. Okay students, so today we have completed question and answers of chapter number 3, types of family. So tomorrow we will meet again and continue our topic. So bye dear students, take care, have a nice day.